This video guide is about removing the online scam that is associated with the website exrnd.com. exrnd.com is a deceptive site attacking many Windows computers and Windows browsers today. The website displays misleading and scary and faulty messages. It says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. The website exrnd.com claims to be related to some decent security software, but in reality this is a fake alert. It is not associated with this decent software, and if you start mistakenly interacting with these fake alerts, if you click on this proceed button, you may be brought to some other dangerous websites that may force you into downloading some potentially unwanted or even malicious software. So do not interact with these pop-ups, do not trust them. The reason why these pop-ups come up on your screen is because the system could be burdened by some hidden adware. We recommend checking the control panel of your device. Look for any suspicious programs. If you find them here, get rid of them. Uninstall them in the regular manner. We also recommend that you additionally research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the software, and start researching the system in order to detect and eliminate other threats from your computer effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.